Fatal three-vehicle crash in Portland. Another man gunned down on his veranda. Man on motorcycle held with imitation firearm. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. One person is dead and two others hospitalized following a three-vehicle accident in Portland on Saturday morning involving a trailer, a pickup, and a minibus. It is understood that the three vehicles were traveling easterly on the Spring Gardens main road towards Port Antonio, where the trailer collided with the rear of the pickup before crashing into the minibus. The impact of the collision resulted in the three vehicles clearing off the roadway. 3 people sustained injuries in the accident and were taken to the hospital where one of the victims died. Another man was found dead on his veranda in Green Island in the parish on Wednesday morning, hours after residents reported hearing gunshots. Police have identified the now deceased as 26-year-old O'Shane Williams. Reports are that about 9 p.m. on Tuesday, residents heard loud explosions but failed to call the police. About 7 a.m. on Wednesday, the now deceased was discovered on his veranda, suffering from what appeared to be gunshot wounds to his hand and back. He was assisted to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. The Green Island police are investigating. An imitation firearm was seized by police in the Halfway Tree Road, St. Andrew, on Friday, March 31st. Reports from the Halfway Tree police are that about 8 p.m., lawmen was in the area when they saw a motorist with a pillion on board in breach of the Road Traffic Act. The police team signaled the motorist to stop and he complied. On seeing the police, the pillion was seen placing an object in his waistband. He was accosted and searched. During the search, an imitation firearm was found in his possession. The man was subsequently taken into custody. However, his identity is being withheld pending further investigations.